Welcome to our channel of new audiobooks, Indira Gandhi National Open University, School of Foreign Language, SOFL. Certificate in French Language, CFL. BFLI 002 Échanger, Interaction. Uni, 5 invitations. In this uni, you will learn the following. Week 1. 1. Offering, accepting, refusing en invitation. 2. Asking et telling the time. 3. Fixing en appointment. 4. Telling the date. 5. Days of the week. 6. Préposition plus pronoun, avec lui, chez moi. 7. Vers, être and avoir. 8. Reading à planer. 9. Question, est-ce que, avec intonation, à quelle heure? Week 2. 1. Reading à film schedule. 2. Understanding statistique. 3. Conjugation, ver, savoir, connaître. 4. Expression with, je pense que, j'espère que. 5. Talking about one's pastime. 6. Phonétique, final letters, sounds. 7. Discussing the pastime, loisir, of the French and the Indian. 10. Uni highlights the linguistic and cultural element related to invitation. The form of the message indicate that this is an email. At the same time, the sketch of the two characters suggest their age, sex and mode of communication, internet, mobile telephone etc. Before we proceed to the activity associated with this uni, it is important to observe the text and to identify a picture. This would help us understand the nature of this document, letter, email, advertisement. The character in the picture, their names, age etc. The situation of communication, introducing someone, asking the person is her age, inviting somebody for dinner. Who is writing to whom? Why? Activity 2. Complete this sentence using the correct form of être and avoir. 1. France Inter, il blanc. 7 heures. 2. Nous blanc. De la chance. 3. Elle ne blanc. Pas française. 4. Vous blanc. 1 euro, s'il vous plaît? 5. Nous blanc. Le 6 ou le 7 juin? 6. Vous blanc. Étudiante? 7. Elle blanc. Envie de dormir. 1. The ver trend avoir avalré a been discussed in course 1. The present activity permis us to revise this to ver. Ter conjugation argivant below, once again, for the benefit of the learner. Avoir. J'ai égal have. Tu as you have. Égal. 2. Elle a égal et she et chess. Nous avons. Égal. We have. Vous avez égal you have. Elles ont égal they have. 3. Être. Égal. Je suis am. Tu es égal you are. 2. Elle est égale et she is. Nous sommes égal we are. Vous êtes égal you are. Elles sont égales they are. Outils, tools. L'heure et la date how to tell the time and date. In the French-speaking world, a day is divided into 4 parts. Le matin, from daybreak to 12 noon. L'après-midi, from 12 noon to about 6 p.m. Le soir, from about 6 p.m. to about 10 p.m. and la nuit, from about 10 p.m. up to daybreak. However, time is measured in 24 hours, i.e. 0100 hours to 2400 hours. Ans. 1 p.m. Is read à 13h, 1300 hours. 4 p.m. Become 16h, 1600 hours. 8 p.m. Become 20h, 2000 hours, etc. Similarly. 8h30 is read à 8h30, demi means 2, or à 8h30. 9h45 become 10h moins le quart, meaning minus 1 quart of an hour, or 9h45. Finally, une seconde is the smallest unit of time referred to in day-to-day activity. Hence, the 3 units of time in French are hour, NF, minute, NF, N secondes, NF. Activity 10. The act of inviting someone often consists of fixing a meeting on a particular date or day and at a specific time. It is too important to understand and retain the sentence structure which enable us to use this knowledge in practical situation. Activity 10 and 11, ont-il aide de prendre fixer un rendez-vous, draw attention to such structure. Note, Activity 9 show us a page from a diary. This is an extremely important aspect of the lives of people in France. Practically everybody carry a diary and every activity such a personal meeting, business lunch, visit to the doctor etc. are planned well in advance and must be undertaken per schedule. Poser une question, how to ask a question. We have come across many way of asking a question in course 1 well in course 2. One can recognize a question either by the intonation, the tone of the voice, or by certain interrogative words. Some of them are listed below. Intonation. Ça va? Vous êtes Raoul Cana. D'accord? Vous aimez le cricket? Interrogative word. Tu t'appelles comment? Ça s'écrit comment? Tu as quel âge? Quelle est votre adresse? While in the left column, it is simply the tone of the voice which suggests that a question has been asked, the voice rises at the end of the sentence, the column on the right highlights some word, comment, quel, etc., which confirms the interrogative nature of the sentence. A few other questions we have come across in this uni are: oui. Non. C'est ça? Tu vas à l'école mercredi? La boulangerie ferme à quelle heure? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a à 19h? Qu'est-ce qu'Élodie répond? Quelle heure est-il? Note, question quand est be en swed in oui non or with longé en swear jivin spécifique, de telle aide explanation. In this part of the uni, we shall study différents formes of interrogation. Activity 11. Exemple. Tu regardes un film? Est-ce que tu regardes un film? Vous aimez le poulet tandoori chicken? Est-ce que vous aimez le poulet tandoori? M. Ravindé Singh va au Canada? Est-ce que M. Ravindé Singh va au Canada? You may have observed also that in case of question beginning or ending with ou, where, quand, when, à quelle heure, at what time, and comment, how, est ce que is placed after this interrogative word and before the pronoun, je, tu, il. Vous, etc. 1. Je vais chez toi? 2. Tu veux aller au cinéma? 3. On va au cinéma à quelle heure? 4. Et on se retrouve où? 5. Tu veux manger avec moi? 6. Vous venez quand? Activity 12. 1. Jivan below are a set of answer. Frame question for this answer. 1. Many question would lead to the same answer. This activity enable us to réviser différentes formes of interrogation studiées so far. X. Question. Tu viens à quelle heure? Nous mangeons à quelle heure? Réponse. À 8h30. Échanger, interaction. Exemple. Où travaillez-vous? Où est-ce que vous travaillez? Tu pars quand? Quand est-ce que tu pars? Comment vous vous appelez? Comment est-ce que vous vous appelez? Now transform the question given in this activity. X. Tu habites à Bordeaux? Est-ce que tu habites à Bordeaux? Invité proposer, accepter, refuser. To propose, accepte or refuse en invitation. This section will enable the learner to use différents linguistic forms linked to different speech acts such as inviter quelqu'un, to invite someone, proposer, proposing, accepter ou refuser une invitation, accepting or refusing en invitation. Activity 14. Afrien invite you to take a walk in the forest with him. What would you say to refuse the invitation? This activity introduces the learner to three new verb form, pouvoir, vouloir and devoir, and one expression avoir envie de, to wish to do something. À fort avoir envie de, this expression is used as follows. J'ai envie de regarder un film. Tu as envie de faire du sport. Acha a envie de manger une glace. Raoul et Simran ont envie de visiter l'Inde. Ans, we see that only the verb avoir in the sentence is conjugated while the rest of the expression remain unchanged. Can you refuse en invitation using différents verbes formes? Exemple, tu viens avec moi au restaurant? Non, je ne peux pas aujourd'hui. 1. Refer to the example of refuser in the margin. Activity 15. Transform the sentence on the model given below. X. Elle habite où? Je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas où elle habite. X. Lucie est malade. Tu sais. Tu sais. 1. Que Lucie est malade? Here, we are trying to join two sentences. We would to need a connector, à pronom relatif. If we look at the first example, we realize that the represent à question, it is en interrogative form, and to it is placed after the verb savoir. However, in the second example, we realize that the first sentence, Lucie est malade is a statement, and not a question. 2. We must introduce a connector, que to join the two sentence. Ans, with a question, we shall use the connector already present in the sentence such as où, comment, or quand. But with a statement, we shall introduce a connector, such as que. Phonétique. Les lettres finales, the final letter. Many French words are composed of letters which are not pronounced. This is usually the case with the final letters. Ans, a word such as comment is pronounced kma and rayon is pronounced rej. This part of the unit studies a few cases where final letters are not pronounced, are silent, in the French language. A. Listen to the sentence on the CD and strike out those final letters which are silent, contact class. X. Rayer les lettres finales qu'on ne prononce pas. 1. Listen to the sentence a few times. Also see the table on the right side of the page anti-LED les lettres finales. Les sorties des Français. Since a large part of this unit deals with invitation, which are closely linked with cultural events and activity happening around town, it would be apt to conclude with a small section on the pastime of the French people. Given below are extract from l'Officiel des spectacles, a weekly magazine published from Paris every Wednesday, carrying a write-up on cultural events in the city in the next 7 days. Activity 16. A. Observe the document and read the text. What are the favorite pastime activity of the French? 1. The table sum up the research presented in the article on the same page. This activity shall be taken up during the contact class. B. And in your own country? What are your own favorite pastime activity? Conduct a small survey by asking other learners in the contact class. How much time per week do they take out for recreation? This activity shall be taken up during the contact class. Thank you.